Welcome to my lazy but healthy kitchen. I'm Karina, a nutrition and wellbeing coach, and today we'll be making a chickpea spinach curry. We're in a different location today, so thanks to Steph and Ellen for letting me use your kitchen. Let's look at the ingredients. As I'm usually cooking with onion and garlic, also this recipe has both in it. If you are on a low FODMAP diet, best is to cut these out. You can swap the garlic with garlic-infused olive oil. The other ingredients that we'll be using for this recipe is some ginger, spices. We got some curry and cumin powder. We have some chopped tomatoes, some chickpeas, coconut milk. I'll be using some quinoa, however you could also swap that with brown rice. And for the greens we're having spinach and bok choy. Let's wash and then cook the quinoa. And while this is cooking, let's take care of the other veggies. Let's chuck the spinach in a food processor and blend until smooth. Let's add the shredded spinach and the coconut milk and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Now let's add the green bits of the bok choy and let it sit for another 3 to 5 minutes. Here's the end result. As usual, I like to add some broccoli sprouts and a slice of sourdough. There's not a lot of food prep involved in this meal, which is why I'm definitely classing it as a lazy but healthy meal. Enjoy!